Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add AliExpress products to your Shopify store. So if you already had started, added your domains and so on, you want to click on Add Apps right here. Now you need to find a new application here. So you want to find more apps in Shopify App Store, and it's going to load up and you're going to search for AliExpress here. So let's try to find it. Now, and you want to find this application, Deezers, and you want to install it. Now you're gonna click install and wait a little bit for it to load up, and you're gonna click install right here. After this, you're gonna see this that you can create account for you or register. So we're just gonna click create an account. And now, as you can see, there are some plans, so you can choose the basic plan. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna choose a free plan right now, and let's get started. So step 3 is link to suppliers. So to bind AliExpress, click the card on the left. So let's click it, and now let's log into it. Now you will need to access your AliExpress account right here with your email. Now you can actually import here some products. So you're going to click import list, and let's try to find some products, or you can actually you need to go and find a supplier right here, as you can see. So you go to find a supplier, and as you can see, you have lots of products which you can import. So let's choose one. For example, let's choose this one. And now you want to copy the URL of this product and go back here to this supplier. Now you're going to go back to the import list right here, and you're going to put the product URL, click OK, and let's wait a little bit, and here it is. Now you can actually import it, push to the store, and add it. So you want to select your store, the pricing rule, and so on. So you can push the stores, and that's how you do this. Now you can actually import reviews and so on. So yeah, guys, that's how you add AliExpress products to Shopify. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.